Seattle, Tacoma, and I'm here to represent the Lemon Media, and we are all here to support our Manu Samoa from Samoa.
And how did you enjoy today? I mean, this whole week?
This whole week was awesome. I really enjoyed the game, and they were doing really, really well, except the last two games, but it's okay. I'm very proud of them. It's a young team, and they're doing good, and we're all here to support them.
Now, you're part of Lemon Lion. How did the Lemon Lion function go this week?
Oh, the function for the Lemon that we're here for in Seattle. From Seattle to Las Vegas, we are really enjoying it, and we have a great time and get to know each other.
Any shout-outs?
Yeah, I just wish all the boys from Samoa, for the Manu Samoa, you guys are doing really well, and hopefully that we'll be here to support you guys for next year's game. Okay, go Hawks! I'm here to support you.